Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to highlight the active row in Microsoft Excel. To highlight the active row, we need to use the VBA codes. First, right-click the Sheet tab. Select View Code from the context menu. Here we need to change General to Worksheet. Now copy and paste code here. This code is in my description box. Click on Close the window and again close it. Then save as the Excel file to .xlsm file. So every time, you no need to add the code. That's it. Very simple and very easy. Thanks for watching. Comment below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more.